Too frequently, family courts overlook what is the core moral duty of a parent, and equal custody and parenting for a child's well-being fixes that. Courts are missing that there is a tragic mishandling of a child's mental health in every nasty custody battle. And as a lawyer in the family court world, one belief is clear for me. Kids deserve equal time with both parents. But why is something so simple treated like a battleground? I'm Mark Real Jr., the father's rights attorney, and I believe that 50-50 custody should be the default. This isn't just a fight for fathers, it's a fight for kids to grow up with equal access to both parents. And if you think it's already the norm, trust me, it's not. I'm going to let you in on a few secrets about the world of family law that you may not believe. In most states, courts don't start out at 50-50. Instead, judges have discretion to decide what's in the best interest of the child. But here's the problem. That discretion often comes with bias. And guess who usually gets the short end of the stick? Dads. I've seen it too many times where fathers are relegated to being weekend dads while mothers are automatically presumed to be the primary parent. That's not co-parenting, that's visitation. And it's not just unfair, it's harmful to the kids. So what exactly is 50-50 custody? It's exactly what it sounds like. Both parents get equal time with the kids, whether that's alternating weeks or a 2-2-5-5 schedule that works with school and activities. And here's why this matters. With 50-50 custody, kids don't just get more stability. They get to build stronger relationships with both parents. No one becomes the fun weekend parent while the other handles all the serious responsibility. It's shared, and it's shared in the way it should be. Let's address the critics. I can already hear the arguments. But what about stability of the kids? What about logistics with school and activities? What about high conflict situations? And what if one parent's not fit? Let's be clear, 50-50 isn't a one-size-fits-all solution in every case. But the majority of parents, these objections don't hold up. Logistics around school and activities, plenty of parents can work around that. Conflict, that's why the courts put in specific parenting plans to keep the focus on the kids and away from argument. An unfit parent, no one is saying an abusive parent or an alcoholic should get equal time. But there are already safeguards in place to protect from that. But what we can't do is use the worst case scenarios as an excuse to deny good dads their rights. The default should be 50-50 custody unless there's a clear and convincing reason as to why it won't work. Here's why I'm so passionate about this. The data is undeniable. Kids who have equal access to their parents do better, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Lower rates of depression, higher scores in physical fitness, better academic performance, and stronger long-term relationships with both parents. And let's not forget, the custody system as it stands turns co-parenting into a tug-of-war where one parent wins and the other loses. When you make it 50-50, the starting point, you reduce the need for the war in the first place. Instead of fighting over who gets the kids, the parents can truly focus on what is best for their children. Here's the good news. The tide is turning. 5 states have already passed equal and shared parenting laws where 50-50 is the presumption. And in 2025, more than 30 states are expected to introduce similar bills. This isn't just a trend, it's a movement. And Real Fathers Rights is proud to support that push for equality in parenting. Because this isn't just about winning custody, it's about doing what's best for our kids. I've been in this fight long enough to know how painful it can be when you feel sidelined from your kids. And that's why I believe that 50-50 custody should be the default. Kids need both parents in their lives, and fathers shouldn't have to prove their worth in court. It should be assumed. The fight isn't just about dads. It's about our kids having the best shot at a quality life. And that starts with having equal access to both parents. So what do you think? Should 50-50 custody be the norm? What exceptions make sense? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear from you. And if you're in the middle of a custody battle, Real Fathers Rights is here to help you and fight for your time, your rights, and your relationship with your kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, equal and shared parenting isn't a legal change, it's us doing what's right.